Hey everyone, welcome back. It's day 5 of the 100 Days Project. I went out for a walk at the Baker Wetlands to get some inspiration. Took some photos, brought them back in, edited them into Photoshop. Added some darks and some blacks. And here they are printed. So let's get started. So this is one of the photos that I took today. And I think I'm going to cut it down right through here. This is what we're going to use for our transparency. Spreading on the hand sanitizer. And just FYI, the first time I did this today, I laid the print down wrong. That's why I got way too much. Oh well. It is what it is. This is what happens when you put too much on. Just adds to the character, right? Okay, that's what we got. Oh, it's not really. Okay. All right, I'm going to work with this giant moppy brush today. So I want to make some pretty... Just want to add in some sort of cloud shapes. But I don't want it to be nearly enough water on there. Ooh, that's fun. This brush is like completely... Some drips. Let's go in with a little Derwent in the Inkjets. Been liking these lines lately. And I feel like the work is getting more simple. I'm gonna go in with a palette knife. I'm kind of liking how these marks are drying into the paint. I'm gonna dry a little darker. Got a hair. Not my hair, brush hair. I'm liking these lines. Maybe. Okay, let's let that. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with the Payne's Gray ink, acrylic ink, just through these areas, just a little bit. Just need some bits in there. Color shaper. I think I'm going to push them up. I think I want some more down here, though. Yeah, I think I just went with a little bit there. Keep hitting the camera, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Decor Color paint marker. Add some marks through here. I'm going to come in with the Derwent Inktense Ink Black. I want to make some more marks through here. And this is wet, so it's making some really cool marks. I feel like I need to add something down here, but I'm not sure. Maybe just some... light marks through there. Maybe some through here, just to add some interest. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Nicco Azul Gold. I'm still on the same bottle of it, which is remarkable. So I thought I was out, but I'm still on the same bottle. It's just perfect. I say it every time, but I love it. Probably gonna have to order a new set of, I found some new colors that I want. Let's add a little pink. I really like that pink as right next to that Azul Gold. It speaks to me. I think I want to add some more black down here. Like some chunky black areas. Need one more spot of it, maybe. So I really like this area here. I love this area here. I like how easy it is to cover, play around with these transfers. And they're maybe not all included in the final piece, but they definitely add some mystery and depth. I love these lines that I've been making up here. So yeah, I think this piece is pretty successful. Let's look at it with the mat. And here it is with the mat. I think this is pretty successful. I was very good at preserving whites, and I really enjoy this piece. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the video to the left there if you want to see more of my work. And I will see you tomorrow for day 6 of 100 Day Project. Thanks so much. Bye.